welcome to Wilderness Wanderers. If you're new to our channel, I'm Kat and this is Kev.
Recently, we reviewed our 2022 Grand Design Imagine 2670 MK.
And in that video, we promised to share with you our solar install.
If you're interested in solar and you want to see how we did it, here we go. Well, here we are, day one of the solar install, and Derek's on the roof. Look at these panels. Oh, they're awesome. And it's all gonna go in here. It's all done. We're just getting all the equipment unloaded. When I say we, I mean Derek, because he's way younger than me and can do stuff like that. And it's gonna go on here. He's already got stuff taken apart. Check this out.
Yep, I got the wall taken off so we can reinforce that.
All those wires right there go underneath where he's looking right now. Let's try and get him in.
Won't be too bad. Everything's all pretty close together. So we got a nice decent little install going here. And that's 2021 Grand Design Imagine. We got 1230 watts going on the roof. It's always nice to make a cardboard template of things. Then you can stick them to the wall and make sure where everything fits together before you start drilling holes and stuff. This is the inverter charger, 3,000 watts. They also make a 5,000 watt one. It's good for the 50 amp rig. They go to the solar controller, which is also made by Victron, 150 volts, and it puts out 100 amps of charging. And we got the battery monitor. It's also made by Victron, the BMV 712. It's Bluetooth, so you can see it on your phone, which is really nice. And in these boxes, we got two Battleborn batteries that are 100 amp hour each. So it's certainly a nice system.
All this equipment's gonna fit down inside here.
Yep, the plan is to mount all this to the wall in there.
We are on the roof with the new panels, getting them into the configuration that we want. And Derek is checking out the factory installed port for the solar panel wires. Go in this port right here and then down to the pass-through bay.
It can pass you by. It can be your road. A road.
Just trying to fish the 50 amp cord. It's got to go to the inverter. One of the 50 amp cords is going to have to go through here. So this goes to the inverter. I'll show you where we're going with it here. And then you can see it's right here. The pipe all the way. This is that same line I just showed you. Goes up into there. Then the breaker panel box is just kind of up in there. Unscrew it here to get all the leads off. Ground, black, red, white, etc. And then connect them to here. It's barely long enough, but it'll work. I'll be able to wire it on there. So.
We're checking out this panel right here, which is part of the main control system for the entire rig.
Yep. So this is the 50 amp cord that was done by the factory, so that comes from your plug-in outside into the panel. And then that's where this line's going to go to. It's going to get hooked up there, and then I'm going to run a line from that cord outside to the inverter. Alright, I think this is where the inverter is going to go. And then We'll put the solar controllers over here and links over here.
Together, in us together, put your head in.
So just getting these Z brackets put on these panels. I like to put some thread locker on the bolts, but you also want to be able to remove them, so this is actually removable thread locker. It's not absolutely necessary. It's still a good thing to do. I mean, the last thing you ever want is one of these big giant 400 watt panels that come off your roof.
What it looks like in here right now. So we've got just a couple more minutes and he should be done.
You know, shine a light, don't hide away. You are more than you say you know.
Are you helping Derek today? Yeah, I'm a big helper. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this system here. It's around 120 volt system, and we're going to use these batteries here for our 12 volt system. Here's where we are so far. Okay, we've got the generator. We're going to be running a test in a little while. Got the generator connected to the rig here. And Derek is in here.
Just trying to update so you got the most up-to-date firmware.
In us together.
As you can see,
It's
it's dark. We've got, so that's what it looks like when it's all done. It doesn't look like much with those just a couple of batteries, but trust me, it's a lot. It is a lot.
Yeah, you guys shouldn't have any shortage of power, so you should be good. So
We finished our solar install. We're here with Lacey and Derek. Tell us about your company.
we own Cross Country RV Tech and Solar. I'm a certified RV solar installer. My certification in Athens, Texas at NRVTA. Also, I'm a registered RV tech.
You guys are full-time in your rig now, is that right?
Yep, we actually just sold our house, so we are going to be full-time traveling the country doing solar installs all over the place.
What do you think, Lacey? Are you
Get a
enjoying
hold
being
of us.
full-time?
I am. I love traveling and seeing all the different states.
Moving like a river in my soul.
We hope you've enjoyed this video of our solar install by our friends at Cross Country RV Tech and Solar.
This video was recorded in October of last year, and since then we have been on numerous boondocking trips, and it's worked fabulous.
If I ever had any questions or technical issues, Derek was always ready to give me a text back and answer my questions.
Excellent customer service. Join us next week as we go hiking in the Anza-Borrego Desert State Park to Slot Canyons.
Until then, we'll see you on the trail.